Hey team, how you doing? Ray here and here. We've got the T7 over here equipped with the brand new Kriega luggage. We've got the 12 litre packs on either side of the bike. We are at the TSS Go Adventure Ride. We're standing in Martinborough at the moment. Bit damp coming over the hill. Quite pleasant here. It's reasonably dry. Some pretty moody looking clouds up there though, so we've got 350 odd Ks to cover today. We've got 25-30 odd bikes at the moment, more showing up at the BP here, and we're going to test out this Kriega luggage and see just how good it is. Let's get into it. G'day team, here we are in Tinui for the lunch stop of the TSS Adventure Ride. The T7 is doing a brilliant job. Down here we've got the Kriega luggage. It's awesome, the OS-12, I'm loving it. It's solid, it's dependable, it's not shifting, it's not moving, it hasn't caused me any dramas as yet. If you've never been to Tinui before, down that road is Castle Point, probably about 20 odd minutes. Up that road, that way, is Masterton, and we came from that way, which is a lot of gravel roads. All in all, a bloody good day out on the gravel and tarmac, the winding roads that are Wairarapa. The Kriega luggage did exactly as you'd expect. Fantastic job keeping that weight nice and low, not shifting in corners or anything like that. Nice and solid on the bike, and to be honest, you wouldn't even know it was there while you're riding. Thanks very much to TSS Motorcycles for organising another great adventure ride. For more on this ride and the Kriega luggage, open up your favourite podcasting app and search Kiwi Rider Podcast. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.